Okay, so here we are, getting ready to try the first nut and washer with the Brutus A 1/8 inch extractor rods, which everything I see about Brutus A so far I absolutely love. I used to be an extractor Alloy fellow, but not any longer. I had to order 5/32 rods. Boy, this machine's a beast. Part of a recycling center. I had to order 5/32 extractor rods overnight, and RockMount Alloys has been incredible. So that would be inch and 5/8 on the bolt, and this was the worst one. It was broke probably about 1.5 inches in it. So let's see how this works out. I'll say it was 1 5/8 inches. Maybe this side. Huh, imagine that. Nope, yeah, hold on a second. Gee, does metal expand when you heat it up? Alright, I'll set the phone down for a minute and tap this wrench in there. Wow. Or I could just drop everybody on the ground. Alright, stand by. Okay, here we go. Tap this bad balloon here. 1 5/8 inches. I'm getting ready to pull it back up. I'm taking this. Okay, folks. Alright, extractor Alloy, forget it. Brutus A, yeah, let's give it a shot. Jeez, man, that was like free turning just about. Wow, dude. Yep, I'm a believer. Let's just keep this going here. Keep working it. By the way, another sales pitch. Coil, the best thing in the world. Probably not good for sex though, but it's a great lube. Okay, let's just keep working. Let's see what we can do. A little gentle pressure. I believe it's going to come. You know what? Well, I can't. I am going to try to set this down in such a way that y'all can see, but I can't do it. Stand by for another moment. Alright, here we go again. It's coming. Yep, it's coming. The threads on this are kind of messed up because the bolts didn't break from being stuck. They broke by being sheared off. So, you know what? Well, as y'all can see, it's moving. It's doing what it's supposed to. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to try to get out with the rods I have now. Then we'll come back with 5/32. So I'll shoot a quick video again as soon as it comes all the way out.